So, what's your impression now that APM case has been? But anyway, so but do you think that's going to affect the Labour Party coming up now? No, but on one of their legs is already gone. No, but one of the which is double nomination. Well, so many of you watching now, you can see waiting for Aisha to say hello to you. Yes, we're about to go in to start the second phase. So Aisha, say hello to the obedience. Yes, so they are. So far so good. What do you think? Yeah.
It's time for them to really say whether justice coming to the division is the last resort of the government or the plating of the politicians. So they are really demanding a trial. And let everybody not forget that there is a reason why the case when they did the election used to go back and forth, then it was stopped and taken to the Supreme Court. So people should just stay calm. This is our country, and this country belongs to us. I think no Nigerian is
Yes, so guys, we are going back to start the part 2. Oh yes, so I'm here. We are not over yet. I was here with Pastor, so we are going back for the second part of this conversation. It's going to be interesting. So, it's interesting. Let's see.